Prepare to be amazed by the Nissan Altima 2027 concept luxury. It blends futuristic design with unparalleled elegance.
Forget everything you think you know about the Nissan Altima. Forget the rental car fleet. Forget the safe, predictable commuter sedan. Because what you are looking at right now, this is not that. This is Nissan taking the rulebook for the midsize sedan, lighting it on fire and throwing it out the window at 150 miles an hour. Welcome back to New Car Insider. Today, we are looking at something that genuinely shocked me. We've heard rumors about Nissan rethinking their sedan strategy, maybe even electrifying the Altima or Maxima nameplates. But nobody, absolutely nobody, expected this. This is the concept vision for what could be the 2027 Nissan Altima. And folks, if this is the future, the boring sedan is officially dead. We are looking at a vehicle that seems to have driven straight off the set of a sci-fi blockbuster. It's aggressive, it's luxurious, and frankly, it looks more expensive than the entire current Nissan lineup combined. Today, we're going to break down every insane detail of this design, speculate on the electric monster hiding underneath that bodywork, and ask the big question: can Nissan actually pull this off and revolutionize the family car? Let's dive in. First impressions mean everything, and this car demands attention. The sheer presence it has, sitting on that marble floor, is undeniable. The immediate takeaway is this radical shift toward hyper-luxury. Nissan calls this their new, quote, zero design language, and it is a massive departure from the V-motion grilles we are used to. The silhouette is incredibly low, long, and sleek. It's almost a fastback design, embracing aerodynamics in a way that makes the current Tesla Model S look a bit outdated. It has that classic, quote, one stance, super wide, with wheels pushed out to the absolute corners. It looks planted, ready to launch. But the real story here, the thing you cannot ignore, is the color palette. This exquisite liquid silver paint contrasted with these massive, bold bronze and gold accents. It's not subtle. It's shouting wealth and performance. It's a polarizing choice, for sure, but it sets the tone that this car is aspiring to be something much higher tier than a standard Honda Accord competitor. Let's move in closer to the front end, because this is where the identity of the car really changes. Look at that grille area. The traditional open grille is gone, likely because this is envisioned as a pure electric vehicle. Instead, we have this beautifully intricate illuminated panel. The mesh pattern is backlit in warm gold, framing that glowing blue Nissan logo in the center. It's digital, it's alive, it's not just an intake anymore, it's a communication device. Flanking that grille are some of the slimmest headlights I've ever seen. They are razor-thin LED strips extending deep into the front fenders. They give the car a squinting, predatory look. Below that, you have massive aerodynamic channels outlined in that signature bronze trim, designed to channel air around the front wheels to reduce drag. It's functional art. The whole front end feels cohesive and incredibly premium. It doesn't look like a Nissan, it looks like something out of a luxury boutique. Coming around to the side profile, the drama just keeps turning up. The first thing your eye hits has to be those wheels. These things are absolutely enormous, easily 23 or 24 inches. They are a full-face, turbine-style design, predominantly bronze with polished elements, and the Nissan script embossed right onto the center lock cap. They look heavy, expensive, and fantastic. They fill those arches perfectly. Now, look above the wheels. Notice what's missing. Traditional side mirrors. They've been replaced by slim, aerodynamic camera stalks finished in bronze. This is a trend we are seeing more of in high-end EVs to squeeze out every last mile of range. And then there are the door handles, or rather, the lack of them. You have these flush, illuminated touch points. And if you follow the cut lines of the doors, they suggest something very special. The rear door cut line goes the opposite direction of a standard car. Ladies and gentlemen, this concept is rocking suicide doors, or coach doors, if we're being polite. It implies an incredibly spacious, lounge-like entry into the cabin. It's a detail usually reserved for Rolls-Royce, and seeing it hinted at on a Nissan concept is wild. We don't have official specs on the powertrain yet because this is a design vision. But based on the architecture, we can make some very educated guesses about what Nissan is targeting for 2027. This is undoubtedly sitting on a next-generation dedicated EV platform. We are likely looking at Nissan's first application of solid-state battery technology. What does that mean for you? It means this car could potentially offer a real-world range of over 500 miles and charge from 10% to 80% in under 15 minutes. To match these aggressive looks, it would need dual motors, all-wheel drive, and horsepower figures probably north of 600 in a performance trim. We're talking 0 to 60 times in the 3-second range. It has to have the performance to back up this gold-plated aesthetic. And while we can't see the interior, the exterior design with those coach doors and the camera mirrors suggests a heavy focus on autonomy. This car is likely designed for Level 3 or even Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning the interior is probably less of a cockpit and more of a first-class lounge where the steering wheel retracts when you're on the highway. So we have to ask the hard question: is this real or is this just vaporware? We see amazing concepts all the time that get watered down into boring production cars. But I think something is different here. The sedan market is shrinking, and only the strong survive. Nissan knows they cannot just release another mediocre Altima and expect it to sell in 2027 against crossovers and Teslas. They have to do something drastic. They have to turn the sedan into a desire object, something aspirational. This concept is a statement that says, we aren't giving up on cars, we're reinventing them. Will the production 2027 Altima have 24-inch gold wheels and suicide doors? Probably not. Those are expensive concept car flourishes, but the silhouette, the illuminated digital grille, the super slim headlights, and the move-up market into premium territory? I think a lot of that is going to stick. This is Nissan signaling they want to compete with the likes of the Lucid Air and the Mercedes EQE, moving the Altima nameplate up several weight classes. If this is the future of the daily driver, sign me up. It's bold, it's risky, and it's exactly the kind of excitement the Nissan brand desperately needs right now. It takes a familiar name and completely reimagines it for an electric luxury future. But I want to know what you think. Is this too radical for an Altima? Is the gold trim too flashy, or is it just right? Down in the comments below, let me know. If Nissan builds this looking 80% like this concept, would you buy one over a Tesla Model 3? Let's get a debate going. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of cars, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you are the first to see the newest concepts dropping in the auto world. Thanks for watching New Car Insider, and I'll see you in the next one. Video Optimization Essentials. Option 1. High CTR/shock value. Title: The 2027 Nissan Altima is no longer a boring sedan. Shocking new look. Description: a Nissan just changed the game. We take an exclusive first look at the Nissan Altima 2027 concept. A stunning electric luxury sedan that looks nothing like its predecessor. Is this the end of the boring family car? We break down the insane bronze details, the futuristic tech, and why Nissan is taking this massive risk. Option 2. Tech and Future Focus. Title: Nissan's 600 horsepower electric future. The 2027 Altima concept revealed. Description: the future of Nissan is here, and it's incredibly luxurious. Join New Car Insider for a full breakdown of the 2027 Nissan sedan concept. We explore the new timeless Japanese futurism design, speculate on solid-state battery tech, autonomous driving features, and how this concept challenges Tesla and Lucid. Option 3. Question debate-oriented. Title: Is this really the new Nissan Altima, the sedan that changes everything? Description: can Nissan save the sedan by making it hyper-luxurious? We review the stunning new Nissan concept car that might become the 2027 Altima. From suicide doors to massive bronze turbine wheels, we analyze every detail of this controversial design. Let us know in the comments, is this too radical? Tags, keywords, Nissan. Altima 2027. Nissan concept car, new Nissan Sedan, 2027 cars, future cars, electric vehicle, EV concept, luxury sedan, Nissan EV, new car review, car design, automotive news, Altima redesign, Nissan Maxima replacement, concept car review, new car insider, solid-state battery Nissan.